Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up TP-Link Tapo cameras with two-factor authentication, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, unpack your TP-Link Tapo camera and ensure you have all the necessary components. Next, download the Tapo app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the Tapo app after installation. Create a new account if you do not have one by tapping on Sign Up. Enter your email address and create a strong password for your account. Check your email and verify your account by clicking the link provided in the confirmation email. Once verified, log in to the Tapo app. Tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new device. Select camera from the list of available devices. Choose your specific camera model from the options provided. Ensure that your camera is powered on and that the LED light is blinking orange. Tap Next to proceed with the setup process. Connect your smartphone to the Wi-Fi network that you want in the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your camera's temporary Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you'll see a prompt to enter your Wi-Fi credentials. Input the Wi-Fi name and password you want your camera to use. Tap Next to establish the connection. Wait for the app to confirm that your camera is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Once connected, tap Done to finalize the setup. Now, navigate to the settings within the app. Select Security from the Settings menu. Find the option for two-factor authentication and toggle it on. You may be required to enter a verification code sent to your registered email. Check your email for the verification code and input it into the app. Confirm your two-factor authentication setup by following the prompts. Now, your TP-Link Tapo camera is fully set up with two-factor authentication enabled. You can view the live feed and adjust your camera settings as needed. Remember to regularly check for app updates to ensure optimal performance and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.